Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday Directions video. Pretty simple day today. We're just going to be watching the Engineering and Empire, the Renaissance version. It's called Da Vinci's World, after Leonardo da Vinci. So we got an Edpuzzle here for the online students. It's pretty simple. The in-class students, we're going to be just watching this in person. But for you online kids, just click right here. It'll bring you to the actual movie with the Edpuzzle. If you've never done an Edpuzzle before, all you do is you watch the video, and the questions pop up as you go. And then you just answer them on the side here. So the first question was, what country lights up the world? The answer is Italy. So we just type in Italy, and then we keep it moving. It's 44 minutes long, I believe, all about the Renaissance. So yeah, once you're done going through the video, your assignment will automatically submit to me, and I'll be able to grade it. So just watch the Edpuzzle, answer the questions as you go along. The whole video is on the Renaissance, the arts, the architecture, all the good stuff. Basically all the key points that we've talked about and all the key points we will talk about come out of this video. So it's pretty nice. Alright, have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.